Thanks for joining us on the Morning Blend. Rosie Royce joins us today, who is the clinic manager for the Lansing location of Medical Weight Loss Clinic. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it.
So from a clinic manager's standpoint, what do you feel is the most important part of the service options offered by Medical Weight Loss?
That's a hard question. We offer so many different services.
You do.
We take an individualized approach to each and every single one of our patients. There's really no cookie cutter way to approach weight loss.
Right.
We bring people in and we really individually specify and put together a program for them. I think that's part of the reason why we're so successful as well.
I think so too. Now, what do you enjoy most about working at Medical Weight Loss Clinic?
Oh gosh, that's easy. What I love is following my patients from the day that they walk in, for their consultation, following them through their entire journey, and then to that very start of their maintenance program as well. So it's a really personalized program, and their success is directly my success. So we do get very, very involved in building these lasting relationships, not only with the staff and our supervisor, but also with the patients.
It must give you goosebumps to see somebody come in on that first day when they're just over it, and then you see both a physical and mental transformation.
And it's a lifestyle change. These people adapt and change. It's more than just an eating pattern. It's more than just a nutritional guideline program. It is a whole body transformation, and it does. I love putting together marketing releases for people and getting them into commercials and their before and after photos. There's nothing that makes me happier.
Why do you think people come to Medical Weight Loss Clinic?
Oh gosh, that is easy as well. Everything is one-on-one, everything is individualized. We also have over 30 locations and over 30 years of success. About 30% of the Lansing patients currently are actually referrals from other patients, and I think that speaks volumes as opposed to the energy that we have. We're a very fun, energetic clinic as well. And that's infectious, and I think that it aids in taking a serious situation and correcting that as well. We also have our exclusive, weight loss enhancement products that are different from anything else in the market that include the lifestyle change as well.
So how do we get started?
Call 1-800-GET-SLIM. Ask for me, ask for Rosie. I'm always the one answering the phones. You can also go to MWLC.com and book a consultation as well. I'll give you a call and we'll schedule you in clinic.
So we can call and ask for you directly.
Yes,
I want to talk to Rosie if you don't
Absolutely.
answer.
Anybody who answers the phone can help you, but yes, I would be more than happy to help you with that.
Well, thank you so much for coming in today.
Thank you, Mary. It's been wonderful. Appreciate it.
We've got all your information on the screen, and we encourage people to give you a call. 31 conveniently located clinics to serve you. Rosie, of course, at the Lansing location. That's all our time for now on the Morning Blend.